Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for the opportunity that has been given to us to present our worksheet today. Okay, before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Nur Ramadhani and this is my partner Asfa Salsabila. We are from group 3. Today we want to present our worksheet entitled Pronunciation Practice Worksheet. This worksheet is especially made for junior high school students, especially for learning consonant in English pronunciation. So the reason why we made this worksheet is because many students still feel confused when learning pronunciation in English. Sometimes students know the vocabulary but they still pronounce the word incorrectly, or they cannot recognize the beginning sounds clearly. That's why we tired to create our worksheet that is not only educational but also fun, interactive, and easy to understand. We want a student to feel like they are playing while learning English, not just doing a boring exercise. Jadi melalui worksheet ini kami ingin membuat murid merasa kalau belajar pronunciation itu sebenarnya tidak sesulit yang mereka bayangkan, karena banyak students atau murid yang kadang takut salah ngomong saat speaking. Jadi kami mencoba membuat aktivitas atau latihan yang lebih santai dan mudah dipahami supaya mereka belajar dengan lebih percaya diri. Okay, next, introduction to consonants. Now let's talk about consonant first. Consonants are letters like B, C, D, V, G, and many more. These letters are very important in English because consonants help us pronounce words correctly and clearly. For example, if students cannot recognize consonant sounds properly, they may pronounce words differently, and sometimes the meaning can also become unclear. So in this worksheet, we focus on helping students recognize consonant sounds for simple vocabulary and activities. We also beginner friendly exercise because our target learners are junior high school students. Dengan adanya latihan sederhana seperti ini, murid atau student bisa mulai mengenali perbedaan bunyi konsonan satu sama lain. Jadi mereka tidak hanya menghafal vocabulary atau kata, tapi juga memahami cara pengucapannya dengan lebih jelas. Next, worksheet concept. In this worksheet, we combine many activities such as matching pictures, arranging letters, reading paragraphs, writing sentence, and vocabulary games. The reason why we use many activity types is because students usually get bored if the worksheet only contains theory or too many difficult questions. So we try to make the activity colorful, simple, and interactive. We also use familiar vocabulary like animals, objects, fruits, and daily things, so students can understand the material more easily. Besides learning consonant, students can also improve vocabulary, reading skills, writing skills, pronunciation, and even critical reading. Karena aktivitasnya dibuat berbeda-beda, student jadi tidak cepat bosan saat belajar. Selain itu, mereka juga bisa belajar banyak skill sekaligus dalam satu worksheet. Bukan cuma fokus ke pronunciation saja. In this slide, students continue the same activity with other consonants like V, H, K, R, and T. Here, students practice identifying more beginning sounds and vocabulary. We intentionally use simple words because we want students to focus first on understanding consonant before learning more difficult vocabulary. Activity like this also helps students become more activity during class because they can interact directly with the worksheet instead of only listening to explanations. Lewat activity ini, student atau murid bisa langsung praktek mengenali konsonan sounds dengan cara yang lebih santai. Jadi mereka tidak hanya mendengarkan penjelasan, tetapi juga langsung mencoba memahami kata atau vocabulary melalui latihan seperti ini. In this slide, arrange random letters. In this section, students arrange random letters into correct words. For example, the letters are mixed randomly and students must think careful to find the correct vocabulary. This activity is useful for improving spelling skills, vocabulary recognition, concatenation, and pronunciation practice at the same time. Besides that, exercise like this also trains students to think critically because they need to analyze the letters before answer. Aktiviti seperti ini cukup membantu student atau murid untuk lebih teliti saat melihat spelling atau ejaan sebuah word atau kata. Selain itu, mereka juga jadi lebih aktif berpikir sebelum menentukan jawabannya. This slide continues the scramble word activity with more vocabulary exercise. Through this activity, students can improve memory and become more familiar with consonant vocabulary. We think this exercise is interesting because students feel challenged while learning, so the learning process becomes more enjoyable and not monotonous karena bentuknya aktivitinya seperti kayak challenge sederhana. Student biasanya jadi lebih semangat sangat mengerjakannya. Hal itu membuat proses pembelajaran itu terasa lebih fun dan tidak monoton. Di slide write sentences. In this session, students write 5 sentences using words that begin with the consonant. This activity helps students become more creative and confident in using English vocabulary. Usually, students only memorize words, but through this activity, they also practice how to use the vocabulary in simple sentence. So, students are not only learning pronunciation, but also practicing writing and basic grammar skills. Jadi tuh melalui activity ini, murid mulai belajar menggunakan kata ke dalam sentence sederhana. Jadi mereka tidak hanya hafal katanya saja, tetapi juga tahu cara menggunakan dalam konteks. Here, students continue writing more sentences with consonant vocabulary. This activity gives students more opportunities to express their ideas in English. Even though the sentences are simple, it still helps students improve confidence and communication skills step by step. We also believe that repeated practice is important because students can remember vocabulary more easily if they use the words consistently. Dengan latihan yang dilakukan terus-menerus seperti ini, murid akan lebih terbiasa menggunakan English vocabulary saat writing maupun speaking. In this slide, complete the sentences. In this activity, students complete sentences by filling in the missing consonants. For example, they complete words like a beer, cat, dog, jelly, and K. This exercise tries to student recognize consonant sounds and spelling patterns correctly. Besides that, students also practice reading because they need to understand the incomplete words before choosing the correct consonant letters. Aktiviti ini membantu murid memahami hubungan antara pronunciation dan spelling. Jadi mereka tuh bisa belajar membaca sekaligus mengenali konsonan patterns dalam sebuah word. This slide continue the same activity with more vocabulary such as olive, queen, rabbit, sun, and box. Even though the activity looks easy, actually is very effective for beginner learners because students practice pronunciation and vocabulary recognition repeatedly. The more students repeat the consonant sounds, the easier they will remember the vocabulary and pronunciation. Dengan repeat practice seperti ini, student juga akan lebih familiar dengan consonant sounds dan lebih mudah mengingat cara pengucapannya vocabulary tersebut. Okay, in this slide, true or false. In this session, students decide whether the statement for true or false. For example, a kite can fly in the sky is true, while an orange is blue is false. This activity trains reading conversation and logical thinking skills. Students also become more careful when understanding English sentence because they need to think before deciding the answer. Jadi tuh selain melatih vocabulary, activity ini juga membantu student memahami isi kalimat dan berpikir lebih teliti sebelum menentukan jawabannya.
Next, true or false continued. This slide continues the true or false activity with more example and vocabulary practice. Through this exercise, students not only practice consonant but also improve their understanding of simple English information. We include this activity because we wanted the worksheet to feel more varied and interesting for student. Karena activity yang diberikan berbeda-beda, students jadi tidak mudah merasa bosan saat belajar menggunakan worksheet ini. Next, reading test. In this section, students read a short paragraph carefully before answering the question. The paragraph contains simple vocabulary and familiar situation, so students can understand the text more easily. This activity is useful for improving reading comprehension, pronunciation, vocabulary understanding, and focus. When students read the paragraph aloud, they also practice how to pronounce consonant sounds correctly. Lewat reading text ini, students tidak hanya belajar memahami isi bacaan, tetapi juga melatih pronunciation saat membaca teks dengan suara yang lebih jelas. Next, reading text continued. After reading the paragraph, students answer more comprehension questions related to the text. This activity trains students to find information from reading passage and understand the meaning of the text. Besides that, students also become more familiar with English vocabulary in context, not only as spread words. Melalui activity ini, students belajar memahami vocabulary langsung dari sebuah paragraf, sehingga mereka lebih mudah mengerti penggunaan katanya. Next, finding the missing word. In this exercise, students complete the sequence by finding the missing word. This activity helps improve memory, vocabulary understanding, concentration, and logical thinking skills. We made the activity simple but still challenging So students can enjoy solving the question while learning English. Activity seperti ini membuat students lebih aktif berpikir dan membantu mereka mengingat vocabulary dengan cara yang lebih menarik. Next, find the missing word continued. This slide continues the sequence activity with more vocabulary practice. Students need to identify patterns and think carefully before answering the missing word. Exercises like this are useful for making students more active and helping them remember vocabulary naturally. Dengan latihan mencari pola seperti ini, students lebih bisa dan lebih mudah memahami urutan vocabulary dan mengingatnya lebih lama. Next, write the beginning consonant. In this section, students write the first consonant letter of each word. For example, beer starts with B, rabbit starts with R, and watermelon starts with W. This activity strengthens students' understanding of beginning consonant sounds and helps improve pronunciation awareness. Aktiviti ini membantu students mengenali beginning sounds dengan lebih jelas, terutama saat mereka membaca atau mengucapkan vocabulary dalam English. Next, beginning consonant continued. Next, students continued identifying beginning consonant from more vocabulary such as leaf, fish, moon, and tree. By doing repeated exercise like this, students can remember consonant sounds more easily and improve their basic English pronunciation skills step by step. Repeated practice seperti ini membantu students menjadi lebih terbiasa untuk mendengar dan mengucapkan consonant sounds dengan benar. Next, choose the correct pair. In this section, students choose the correct pair between consonant and vocabulary words. For example, B matches with beer and F matches with fish. This activity helps students connect letters with vocabulary correctly and improve vocabulary recognition skills in a fun way. Melalui aktiviti ini, students belajar menghubungkan konsonan dengan vocabulary yang sesuai sehingga mereka lebih mudah memahami bunyi awal sebuah word. Next, the correct pair continued. This slide continues the matching activity with more consonant and vocabulary examples. Simple activity like this are actually very effective for beginner learners because students learn while practicing directly. Karena students langsung praktis melalui worksheet, mereka jadi lebih mudah memahami pronunciation dan vocabulary dibanding hanya mendengarkan teori saja. Next, circle the correct beginning letter. In this last activity, students circle the correct consonant at the beginning of each word. This exercise helps students improve spelling accuracy and pronunciation understanding. We designed this activity as a simple and enjoyable classing exercise so students can review everything they learned before. Aktiviti penutup seperti ini membantu students mereview kembali konsonan yang sudah dipelajari dengan cara yang lebih santai dan menyenangkan. So overall, our worksheet designed to help junior high school students learn consonant in a more interactive, simple, and enjoyable way. Through activities like matching pictures, arranging letter, reading sentence, reading text, and vocabulary exercise, students can improve pronunciation, vocabulary, reading, and writing skills together. We hope this worksheet can help students become more confident and interested in learning English pronunciation. Thank you for your attention and have a great day everyone. Kami berharap worksheet ini bisa membantu students lebih percaya diri saat belajar pronunciation dan membuat mereka merasa bahwa belajar Inggris juga bisa dilakukan dengan cara yang fun dan tidak membosankan.